So, here today, no matter the vision, the mission of Ohaneze Youth Council, what we are talking about is economic emancipation. On the level of unemployment, like in my state, Imo State, the statistics shows that every year, Imo State now produces a minimum of 14,000 graduates every year. Calculate or I use all the statistics check on the state of Igbo extraction. This is the youth now graduate from the university and have one honor. And I don't mind it's a devil workshop. If the government they are asking about the youth receivers and violence and so many things, the only way out is to create employment. When you keep somebody busy, a politician or a photographer, yes or no, when you keep the youth busy, equal prevalence, yes, you know, when it's your no. So I want to honor the government. So open we have that book our agenda. All the very important. I want to ever na aga. Makopula emena yenda mugo gebere. Mwebe asina ememata kemeli beya. Obi bengeni, obi adeyama. Because I their way na not never play dry pot. Na not. Ndi dem when mini and never dry pot. Ndi when mini and neglect ya. And I become aware that the Lagos and the youth today is almost 60 nautical miles to Atlantic Ocean. Why the Nalibo? They can see you. Cannot hear no sopa. Osemoto is 18 nautical miles. Cannot acquire from Eba is 30. One is 45. Bonnet is 50. You cannot have the states. Azumiri is 30. And the Iba Khalifa. And then you abandon. Let use of that of Lagos. Open here about until they were put in this country, until a young people here will have. Magana Matakri de Papa, now Wakeba, Nega Neba, Nayam Neba. So then people never Pana Waka, being that the men are evil. Can win economic viability in Igbo land. All the very important. I be aware that recently there were so many calls concerning Otesia Hazobo, Nigeria, and the Ohaneze Youth Council, I will adopt for restructuring, because I thought that now restructuring is the best way to unite Nigeria. Restructuring is the simplest way for various tribes in this country to live in peace and in unity. And restructuring will give us rapid development, because either way, within 1954 and 1964, the Eastern region is one of the fastest growing economy in the whole world. It is a history, and it is true. Because of that time, Nigeria is running a regional government by having a central constitution. When the three regions were their own constitution, things were moving very well. Until the military struck in 1966. I tell why no more that. And all that them kai ga chazo makandi trunto ala Nigeria. But has returned to ala both on regional government, and that was why it were peace that time. So in the Barankata Nigeria, Barankataya, were Eastern region and other regions within the country at that time. So Ohaneze Youth Council, I thought there are something there in peace that can make us to live in unity. That is why we are supporting restructuring. All the very important. Finally, because all the importance come to ever Makade ama mandi politician, they got talking tomorrow. They are men and cause. I did develop our slogan. On your pocket, yes, you okay, Nina. When you get the team, okay, you're Yako Hala, Akawa. ya ga-ekwe nke maazị that na ọrụ ahụ ọ na-etinye gị abụghị ezigbo ọrụ. Let me tell you people, mbesi asịkụ ọnụ ọgụgụ ya bụ onwe ya ya bụ anyị eme ya bụwazie ndị ọzọ. Na mbụ nke wee eziokwu ọta m nọ kịta na I am the last person in this country a politician they use. I am the last person, so you can tell yourself that. And when any politician they use room at all, because I'm on a buy now. For more than 30 years in this country, learning also, now, I mean, you can look at that. The progress of Nigeria, one step forward, two steps backward, or him again. Analysis, investigation, and discovery. After I'm back, even to secondary school and primary school, last month. Chop down all of them for a young man, no bad. Cuba is the worst. Obruna, everyone, window above for that time now. You got there, window 20 up on that. Dinner to show already. Open the politicians, take an edge. Get Pico. On your popular politician, you show ya against fellow politician or against your people. How about it? Go ahead, but I'm my worker. Only the team. Because not to borrow the book. And my philosophy, even I agree that I have believed, and if all of us accept it, okay, then I can. Ask him the best way to correct a reckless driver that have refused to take correction is to go and learn how to drive and kick him out of the steering. The best way to correct a reckless driver that have refused to take correction is to go and learn how to drive and kick him out of the steering. I don't believe in complaining. And that is why in our Council we are mobilizing. We are mobilizing for proper leadership change in Igbo land. John Maga to do that if you are complaining that your governor, House of Assembly, Senator, President is not doing well, as a member, as an official in Ohanese Youth Council, your responsibility, how far are you doing well? If you are not doing well, you don't have any moral justification to say that the governor of Enugu State is not performing. If the chairman of Enugu State of Ohanese Youth Council is not performing, we want the right to justify whether Uwai is performing or Uwai is not performing. The coordinator in a local government of Ohanese Youth Council, if you are not performing, you don't have right to say that your House of Assembly Amadi Yonen or your chairman Amadi Yonen. Makane shina ushahe amukonsi. Makoye ne wanta ya hazeya enye wanuku oga hazeya. Maka we are complaining that our leaders they are not doing what they supposed to do. My brother, opru na imote yes rituaria apafo ha no chiche chufu ha asigi were onot igememu jo maga ajuja. That is why I am a Ohanese Youth Council. I am a Directorate of Leadership and Social Engineering. It's a special directorate that we can, train the new generation of Igbo extraction purely on leadership. Because I talked to Rana. Chineke okikeke uwa goes into Igbo more than any tribe in the whole world. Ndibo, I am the best weather. Ndibo, I am the mineral resources.